Tern have released their much anticipated Vektron range. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Tern have a reputation for reliable and well-built folding bikes. They are well known for using the latest technology and components to provide reliable and compact transport for people on the go. Their folding bike range includes basic folding bikes, touring bikes, bikes for people in training, and now includes an electric folding bike range with a GSD, a cargo bike, and the Vektron. In this video, I'll be looking at the Vektron range. The Vektron comes in a couple of spec levels and it's powered by either a Bosch active line drive called the S10 or via a Bafang system in the D8. All have 20-inch wheels and use derailleur gearing, and the motors are mid-mounted with the batteries located behind the seat post. I'll be focusing on the Bosch powered S10, which is the highest spec level of the Vektron range. Utilising the Bosch active line with 46 Nm of torque, the S10 is no slouch. It'll get you up hills and across town with not too much effort. The bike comes standard with a Shimano Dior 10-speed derailleur. It also comes standard with hydraulic disc brakes, a rear-mounted rack, front and rear lights, a kickstand, and mudguards. All of this in a bike that folds and can be rolled away and stored easily. The Bosch-powered Vektron uses the Bosch Purion Controller. It's a simplified controller that combines the power selector buttons with the display unit in a more compact package than Bosch's standard Intuitive system. The Purion controller allows you to change your power settings. It gives you your speed readout and a battery charge indicator as well. You can also view other information such as trip distance, odometer and range with the current battery reserve. This bike also comes standard with a walk assist feature that gives you some assistance, especially when taking the bike up a steep ramp. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this bike. It folds such that you could fit 2 of these bikes into the cargo area of an SUV. You would easily get 1 into the boot of a medium-sized hatch with the seats up, or 2 with the seats down. Folding the bike takes a little bit of practice, and at 22 kilos can be a little bit cumbersome, but in time you get used to this. The big advantage of a folding, pedal-assisted bike is the obvious ability to fold the bike and transport it or store it more easily. This type of bike is perfect for urban living where space is a premium, for caravaning, for casual riding, and one of the less obvious advantages of this bike is that it fits a wide range of rider heights from 147 to 190 centimetres or 4'10" to 6'5". The seat post has a wide range of adjustment and the handlebar and stem are also adjustable. Overall, Tern has made a versatile, reliable and comfortable electric folding bike. This is easily one of the best available on the market at the moment. For more information on the Tern Vektron, click on the link. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos on a whole range of interesting things. Drop into the store or give us a call if you want to order a Vektron or see one in action. I'm Andrew from Forman Design. Thanks for watching.